Hey loves, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, back. You back? You came back? You here to stay? Okay. So, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, She Loves Wigs, and I am back with another Get Ready With Me half wig tutorial. So, today, this is the wig that I will be putting on, and this is one of my favorite half wigs. It's synthetic, and I mean, if you don't mind wearing a cheap synthetic wig, this right here is something that I recommend. BOBBI BOSS full cap wigs. They are amazing. You can put heat to this wig and everything. My first time trying this wig, I fell in love with it, and it's been up ever since. So I'm just gonna start off by doing my edges. You already know your girl, the light's kind of bright, but I use Dollar Tree edge control, and it works great for my hair. I have locks, and it's amazing. So if you want to try this, it's only $1, and you won't be wasting your time or your money. So everybody that I have recommended this edge control to, it works really good, and they love it. So yeah, now y'all can go run it up, go take it all from me, and then I'm gonna be mad when I go to the store and see that y'all bought it all. So but yeah, so this look is really simple. It's really easy. I've been wearing half wigs for like ever, like before they became popular. So now everybody and their grandma love half wigs, but they're so convenient, so I don't blame you. They are very convenient, and I just like wigs because, you know, if my stylist cancel on me, or, you know, if I have last minute plans, then I can still be cute and pop my without breaking the bank. Cause, you know, your girl got some goals and stuff that I'm working on, and I can't be going broke spending money on too many wigs. Now, splurge or treat yourself right, but you have to also know your limits, because I sell wigs, so I want to make that clear. I do want you to look good, but I don't want you to, don't go broke, sis. So the edge control is on. My edges look a mess on this side. I thought we had something going, but this side looks a mess. I actually still have a little glue in my hair, and I can get that off. It looks a little yucky on this side, but it's okay. Edges are still laid, guys. And so I already have one, and it's been out of the pack for a couple of days. And as you can see, this wig is not stiff. Stiff wear. This is not stiff. So, you know, it's a myth that I guess people think you can't be cool with synthetic wigs, but I don't know who told people that. But you know, synthetic wig game to the day the good Lord calls me home, and I'll be old and gray. But I'll be rocking these bad boys until then. People got all type of myths about synthetic wigs. They say they cause problems, this and that, but I'm like, look, I haven't. Stop. Okay, so as you can see, I just flipped it. The way I'm putting, I put this wig on, I pinned it in the back. I would usually do it in the front, but how I did my braid down, it's kind of sucky today. But that's okay. And it's just gonna take me a little time because I have a big head. And oh yeah, and also my braid down sucks. So you don't have to have the perfect braid down, but I do recommend if you have locks, just try to braid your hair really, really small, because today my braid down sucks. And but it's okay because the wig is still on. Just have to brush it and get it together. And it's flowy, and it's not tangly. I know some synthetic wigs, when you first put them on, they tangle. This is not the case. And the last thing, headband, Dollar Tree, Five Below. I got this from Five Below. That's where I got my shirt from, and I love my shirt. It says love and unity, and you know that's what I stand for, period. So yeah, run this video up, y'all. Ask me questions. I've been doing this for a while. I don't mind. I'm not a professional. I'm not a licensed cosmetologist, and I really don't even consider myself to be a stylist, but I'm changing that up. I am whatever y'all need me to be, because I just love slaying on a budget. That's why I started my business. Because hey, like, why not? If I can slay on a budget, why not? So I'm gonna get a little closer and show y'all how it looks in the front. And I love this wig, y'all. Just don't understand, like, it sheds a lot. I'm not gonna put none on this side because I want that symbol to my that logo to show. Not my logo, but I'm talking about, I was talking like it was mine, but yeah, I wish it was. But yes, this wig is so nice. I would recommend this wig if it is your first, if you have been wanting to get into wigs and you don't know where to start. I would recommend this wig because it's just so soft and flowy, and it's just everything. This is a 5-minute style, y'all. We don't have to stress the hairstylist bailing on us anymore. I know how it was when I was getting my hair did, and sometimes, you know, things happen, so it's not the end of the world now if your hairstylist bail on you. And I'm gonna post a picture to show you how long my hair is, my locks. But you can also look at my previous video, how I braid my hair down. And it is getting hard. It's getting harder and harder for me to do my braid downs, but I'm gonna get it because I love my wigs, and I really think this one is hot. Oh, I can still do this. So y'all let me know how y'all like my wig. And oh, this is available for purchase. I have these. You can DM me directly to purchase this wig, and that is on facebook.com/wig dealer, or you can send me an email at sheloveswigs@gmail.com. And you guys, thank you so much for watching and being a part of the slay. Until next time, y'all, stay beautiful and stay blessed.
Pre-rich me a top. Me pay me dues, dog, me know the bench. Still a buy any young people. But me need priority a block and cement. Tool of it then. Me yard with a Benz. Real estate, me no want see no rent. 1 million.